Why you should finance your car. There is a possibility that the acquisition of a vehicle, regardless of whether it is brand new or used, will be among the most costly investments that you will ever make in your whole life. It is necessary to conduct a substantial amount of research, in addition to comparisons and budgets. The next major stage, on the other hand, is to figure out how you are going to pay for the automobile of your dreams once you have found the vehicle of your dreams. Even though some people might be able to buy their brand new car outright with their own money, there are a lot of clients who might discover that financing is the most economically responsible choice. This essay will examine 10 reasons why financing your next automobile may be the best option for you. These arguments will be discussed within the scope of this study. What does it mean to have a car that is financed? A car finance agreement is a type of financial arrangement that allows you to purchase a vehicle by allowing you to spread the cost of the vehicle out over a period that has been decided in advance. It is important to note that this arrangement is what vehicle financing is without going into too much detail. Taking out a loan from a financial institution and paying back the money in reasonable monthly installments over a period that has been decided or agreed upon is the process that is being described here. On the other hand, to acquire this money, you will initially be asked to fill out an application form which will include a credit check. If your application is approved, the dealership that is selling the vehicle will be provided with the cash that is required to finalize the purchase, and you will begin making payments to the lender at an interest rate that has been previously agreed upon. In this video, we will go over 10 reasons why you should seriously consider obtaining finance for your automobile as soon as possible. Number 1. Increases the cost over a longer period and spreads it out. The key benefit that auto finance offers is the chance to stretch the cost of purchasing a vehicle over a longer period, typically between 2 and 5 years. This is the primary advantage that car financing offers. This means that you will not be required to pay that substantial sum all at once, which will result in the purchase being far more affordable and will prevent you from having to spend all of your finances at once. Number 2, it helps you manage your financial flow, which is a significant benefit. You'll not only be able to avoid a major one-time hit to your bank balance by purchasing a vehicle through a series of monthly installments, but you will also be provided with a fantastic opportunity to enhance your ability to manage your money at the same time. You can put those savings up for a rainy day, and because the monthly price that you pay is consistent and predictable, you will know how much it will be and when it will need to be paid. You can also anticipate the amount that you will have to pay. Because of this, you will be able to plan. Number 3, it will help you improve your credit score. If you can make your payments on time and in full, financing your next vehicle can also help you improve your credit score. This is assuming that you can finance your future vehicle. As a result of the fact that lenders will observe that you are trustworthy and responsible with your funds, a likelihood that you will be presented with more suitable financing options in the future will improve. Number 4, you could be able to purchase a more expensive car. If you finance a car, you will be able to buy a more expensive and higher quality vehicle, at least if it is within your financial means. However, this is only the case if the vehicle is within your budget. This is because you will not be required to pay the total cost of the vehicle all at once. Rather, the purchase price will be spread out over several years. To put it another way, you will have the opportunity to enhance your driving experience by acquiring more features and options that will make it more fun. Number 5, ensure that you reach your goal of acquiring the car you want as quickly as possible. Financing allows you to purchase the car of your dreams without having to put money down for years to do so. Instead, you can pay for it over some time with monthly installments that are much more reasonable. Consequently, this indicates that you do not need to have that substantial amount of money ready right now, which means that you can purchase the automobile that you desire right now. During the remaining term of your contract, you should just make sure that you can handle the payments in a method that is completely comfortable for you. Number 6. One of the easiest ways to make your automobile better is to do so. As long as you have the appropriate financing option, you may easily upgrade your vehicle without having to go through the hassle of selling your previous vehicle. You will find this to be especially helpful if you frequently find yourself becoming bored with your car in a short period, or if anything else is the thing that most commonly strikes your eye. You have the option to select to part exchange your car for another vehicle under a new arrangement if you have a personal contract purchase (PCP) option with CarLingo, for example. This allows you to pick between 2 vehicles. Number 7. Adaptable purchase options. There are a variety of payment options available to customers who finance their automobiles. You have the chance to choose from several different financing alternatives, such as those offered by CarLingo. These options include hire purchase HP and personal contract purchase PCP, in addition to factors such as the length of your contract, the amount of your deposit, and the amount of your monthly payment. You may be able to locate a package that fits both your demands and your wants. This is something that you should look into. Number 8. Advice is to make use of tax benefits. If you are self-employed or if you own your own business and acquire financing under the name of your firm, you may be eligible for certain tax benefits. These circumstances may allow you to take advantage of certain tax benefits. Make sure that you do your research before jumping deeply into the process of financing your automobile. The method that you choose to use will influence the kind of tax deductions that you are qualified for, so you must perform proper research before beginning the process. Number 9. It is possible to generate income from your automobile. If the automobile you purchased with financing continues to keep its value appropriately, you will be able to take advantage of the benefits of asset appreciation. Allow us to explain. When you finance an automobile, specifically through personal contract purchase (PCP), after the agreement, you will have 3 options. You can either return the car, you can part swap it for another vehicle, or you can pay the final repayment that was agreed upon to purchase the car. All of these options are available to you. In the second scenario, if the value of your vehicle has increased, you may be able to sell it for a larger price than the pre-agreed repayment. At that point, you will be able to pocket the difference as profit. This is a highly desirable outcome. Number 10. Some choices do not require a deposit. The thinking that might be running through your head is something along the lines of, I'll be able to avoid the significant upfront cost of purchasing the car, but I'll still be required to pay the deposit, right? That is not the case. It is possible to find solutions that do not call for an initial investment, which means that you will not be obliged to pay any kind of big sum of money if you do not wish to do so. I hope that you find this video to be helpful. If you think that my selection is correct, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give our YouTube channel a like and subscribe to it. Simply tap the bell icon to see other videos that are both interesting and informative. Stay here with us.